Hi, today I'm going to be comparing the Allen stainless steel snare wire with the Allen brass snare wire. This one is much more expensive. It's $9 for 20 feet, and this one is $23 for 165 feet. If you figure it all out by foot, this one is about 45 cents per foot, and this one is about 14 cents a foot. So to get the same amount, it would cost you around $50 more to get 165 feet of the brass. So now I just wanted to make a snare with both to show you the advantages and disadvantages of each, although you'll see the brass is much faster, but you can make way more. So you'll have to decide. Hope this will help you make that decision when you're out there shopping. So after watching me build the snare with each, you can clearly see the brass is much easier versus the stainless steel. You can't make nearly as many, but you're gonna have an easier time. So if you're new to it, I would choose the brass if you plan on making just a few. If you plan on making many, stainless steel is the way to go. Thanks for watching and happy hunting.